So the first thing we'll talk about is two QSX Inframe kits. These two new kits have APR liners. So you're used to seeing the APR kits for the truck engines. Now we have them for the Tier 2 and Tier 3 QSX engine applications. And these are just set up the same way as a truck kit is. It's got the piston kits, the liner kits, rod and main bearings, upper gasket set, oil pan gasket, and pressure relief valve. So you can see the APR liners there, and the pistons, of course, are the low top ring to accommodate the APR. We also have a new XPI injector. 287-2544 is for an ISX-XPI. Again, these contain all new nozzles made at our factory. For the DD15, brand new oil pumps are now available. The housing on these is aluminum, so much like an ISX, these are very high wear items. Also for DD15, a replaceable connecting rod bushing. So this new bushing allows replacement and rebuilding of these connecting rods. For Navistar, we have a re-release of the oil cooler kit for DT466, DT570, model year 2004 and later. This kit that we're offering contains the core, the seals, and the bolts to put this core onto the housing.
Whatever you get, gonna take some more.